Hello students, in today's video, we are going to prove the circle theorem geometrically as well as with the help of an activity. The circle theorem is angle in the semicircle is 90 degree. But before starting with this video, let me tell you that we have many more Maths Art integrated activities, projects and working models on our channel. For this activity, we need few colorful thick sheets, a ruler, a black marker pen, a pencil, a compass and a pair of scissors. Aim of this art integrated project is to prove the following circle theorem geometrically as well as through an activity. The circle theorem is angle subtended by diameter or semicircle on any point of circle is 90 degree. Let's first learn what is arc of a circle. A continuous piece of circle is called an arc of the circle. Consider a circle with center O and let P, Q, R, S be points on this circle. Then PQ, PR, QR, RS, all these are arcs of this circle because they are continuous piece of this circle. Now let's consider 2 points P and Q on this circle. These 2 points divide the circle into 2 pieces. The shorter piece highlighted in red is called minor arc PQ and the longer piece highlighted in green is called major arc PQ. Now students, what is major and minor segment? The segment of the circle is the region between arc and chord of the circle. So if we join points PQ, we get the chord PQ. And this chord divides the circle into 2 regions. This is the major segment and this is the minor segment. So region between major arc PQ and the chord is the major segment and region between minor arc PQ and the chord is the minor segment. Now students, if PQ is the diameter of the circle, then both the arcs are equal and each arc is called semicircle. Now students, we have understood the concepts which are required to prove this theorem. So let's first prove this theorem geometrically. Here we are given a circle with center O and PQ is the diameter of the circle, subtending angle PAQ at any point, let's say A on this circle. And we have to prove angle PAQ equals to 90 degree. So let's prove it. Students, we know POQ is a straight line passing through center O because we are given PQ is the diameter of the circle. So the angle subtended by arc PQ at center O will be 180 degree. It means angle POQ equals to 180 degree. Let's mark it as 1. Also, angle POQ is twice of angle PAQ. Because of the theorem, angle subtended by an arc of the circle at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. This implies angle PAQ is half of angle POQ. And from 1, we know angle POQ equals to 180 degree. So it means angle PAQ equals to 90 degree. Hence, we have proved this circle theorem geometrically. Now, let's prove it with the help of an activity. Now, let's start with our activity. In the first step, take a red sheet of paper and draw a circle of any radius on it. Then carefully cut out this circle using pair of scissors. Now, we have to cut out 2 more circles of same radius but with different colors. Like I have taken a blue sheet and a yellow sheet. Now take all the 3 circles and place them over one another. Then draw any diameter PQ on this yellow circle. With the help of a black marker, mark the points PQ on the edges of all the 3 circles. Next, take any point A and join PA and AQ. Thus, we get a triangle PAQ, and angle PAQ is the angle in the semicircle. Now, we will make 2 exact replicas of angle PAQ. So, let's first take the red circle and cut out angle PAQ. Similarly, we will cut out angle PAQ from the blue circle as well. So, in this way, we have 2 exact replicas of angle PAQ. Next, place both the cutouts as shown here. Name the red angle as angle P1, A1, Q1 and name the blue angle as P2, A2, Q2. So students, from this arrangement, we observe that line segments Q1, A1 and A2, P2 form a straight line. Therefore, angle P1, A1, Q1 and angle P2, A2, Q2 are supplementary angles. This means their sum is equals to 180 degree. And both these cutouts, they are exact replicas of angle PAQ. This implies angle PAQ plus angle PAQ equals to 180 degree, or we can say twice of angle PAQ equals to 180 degree. So this means angle PAQ equals to 90 degree. Hence, we have proved the circle theorem that angle in a semicircle is 90 degree with the help of this activity. I am sure you enjoyed this activity. Please share my videos and my channels further. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.